We are continuing to track the wintry mix moving across Virginia right now. State police say if you have to be on the roads, make sure to give yourself extra time before heading out and slow down. Now let's get straight to our team coverage this afternoon as meteorologist Kara Thompson and Brandon Lashbrook are tracking current conditions and what the weather will look like for the rest of today. We'll get to them in just a moment. But first, let's turn to WFXR's Jessica Maldonado live along Interstate 581 in Roanoke. Jess, how are conditions out there?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of wet, slushy snow coming down across the region this morning and will continue to fall throughout the day. I reached out to VDOT and they say road conditions will worsen, especially as we transition into that afternoon commute. Right now, drivers are encouraged to stay off the roads during the height of the storm or wait until conditions improve. Interstates are seeing mostly minor impacts. Primary roads range from minor to moderate, and secondary roads are in moderate conditions. Crews are currently treating trouble spots and will start to plow once snow reaches about 2 inches. But for now, reporting in Roanoke, Jessica Maldonado, WFXR News. Back to you.
And let's take things over to Brandon Lashbrook.
Hey, yeah, so we are seeing widespread snow across our region on the weather too. Of course, we do have widespread snow across most of Southwest and Central Virginia as well, and seeing some bands of some heavier precipitation of that snowfall moving roughly around Franklin County and to portions of, as well as the winter storm warnings for about Bedford into Lynchburg and even further east as Appomattox and of course down to Charlotte County as well. So looking ahead to what we could expect through this afternoon and when this rain or the snow rather will be coming to an end, let's go over to meteorologist Kara Thompson.
Yeah, so with those particular advisories and warnings in effect, this is an all-day type of scenario across much of Southwest and Central Virginia. Taking a quick look at that map, once again, we have the winter storm warning that is currently in place for Central Virginia as well as the Roanoke Valley. The rest of our area, we have that winter weather advisory. The advisory will continue into the overnight hours tonight. Main concern, though, it's the fact that we have accumulating snowfall. You're going to notice a bit of a slush on those roadways for today, and because of that, there is going to be that chance for slippery driving conditions. Please use caution if you do plan on heading out and about. Now, as far as our precipitation chances are concerned, the snow is expected to continue throughout the afternoon hours, starting to taper off as we head into your Monday evening. But even then, we are still going to feel some impacts for our region. Once that snow comes to an end, we are going to notice dropping temperatures overnight, sub-freezing across much of our area, and that is going to lead to the threat for refreezing, patchy black ice, even as we head into your Tuesday morning. So even though that wintry mix will come to an end by the time we head into your Tuesday, still going to feel those lingering impacts. Please make sure that you give yourself extra time to get to where you need to go safely, not only for your Monday, but into Tuesday as well. We may have some further delays and closures. We're going to have more details on this wintry weather moving through in just a few minutes. Back to you, Sydney.
Thank you, Kara, and make sure you stay up to date on all things weather by downloading the WFXR News app. It's the best way to stay weather aware by sending alerts straight to your phone.